Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get the birthday notifications. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. After that, here you can see the menu. Now tap on setting gear. Now scroll a little down and here you can see the notification. Tap on that and after that scroll a little down and here you can see the birthday options. Now I already have on these options, so that's why I always receive my birthday notifications. But if you don't receive your birthday notifications, all you have to do is just on this notification icon and now you will receive all of your birthday wishes. So guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future.